Hi, this is Dr. Anthony Basil, and I will be your project supervisor for the next few weeks. We're going to have a quick look at some of the issues and procedures that you'll be doing, and if you have any questions, please do email me. Here's the agenda. We'll talk very briefly for introductions, email procedures, working as a group, the files that I've put in Google Drive, a work plan, and then our next meeting. You can find out more about me and my research on my WordPress site. I've worked with students from undergraduate to doctorate level, and I've been external examiner in a number of different institutions, and I've got some project experience as well. Here's my email contact. I'm happy to meet with you online on Mondays for our sessions together. And on Wednesdays, if you wish to connect, we can do it in Greenwich, in person, or by phone and online. Please remember, if you email me, you must put in the subject your name and student number along with your title as project student. Here's a quick view of my model for our study partners. You're not going to be alone in your research. We can work together. Not only will I provide supervision, but I want you to work with the other students in the group in order to support each other. Have a look at each other's work and also share your research if you have any good websites. We'll talk more about that in a little bit. Now, this is the link for a very important document in Google Docs where you'll be able to track your progress. So each week, we're going to be looking for you to make a next step in your project. And so please be sure to log that into this Google Doc. It's very important, so that way we can make sure that you're on track. Now, let's have a quick look at a sample that we can analyze for our very first session. We're looking at a student who is looking to explore employee engagement and motivation. What is the impact of employee motivation on business success and productivity? Now, that's an interesting topic, but here's my feedback. We need to make sure that we have a focused and measurable research question. Can this be answered in the 10 weeks of your project? Try to think of one element in the employee's motivation that can be quantified or measured. For example, through an online survey. Maybe you might want to explore a question about financial incentives, such as a bonus or a commission. So this is just a little sample of a possible research question and title and how we can narrow it down and focus it. You'll find in the Google Docs a project chart which will suggest different stages of your research report that you'll be writing up and will coincide with our meetings. So please make sure you download that and have a look. You'll also see that Paul has put together a scheme of work which is online that is very, very useful in helping guide you through your project process. He's also produced a brilliant project student guide that will give you an overview of the process of putting together your report. Now, for our next meeting, the following Monday, we're going to be on Connect again, Adobe Connect at 10 a.m. for getting some follow-up. Please be sure to email me to book a 20-minute space. We can do it in person or by phone or online. Next week, we're going to be looking at a literature review. So any books, articles, newspapers, web blogs, anything that you've gotten so far in your research, please put it on our website in the Google Excel file so that we are able to help share our knowledge together. So the main message that I want to send as we close today is please make sure we work together. Help each other out, and then contact me if you have any questions. Thanks very much. Bye now.